You're looking for a solar light, security light with the PIR of 100% and 30%, or dusk to dawn. When movement, the light triggers on and lights the area. What we're going to be doing is showing you what this light is all about. Yisosen. This is the JD3218 and the JD182. One is 182 volts and the other is 321 volts. 3 modes. A spotlight that you stake into the ground or hang on the wall. As we open up the product, they have a remote control and a 2400 milliamp battery. You have here 2 stakes, one that attaches together as a pole. You have the instruction guide to go over the 3 modes and how to run the unit and set up. You have the remote control and the hardware. It is a 2025 battery built in. Please remember to pull the film out and you're ready to use. In the package, you have the hanging bracket and protected by bubble wrap, the 3-position LED light system with the solar panel. This is what it looks like close up. Please remember to peel all film off. It swivels in adjustments and it rotates and pitches. It has a PIR sensor that's going to secure the area and light up, and the 321 LEDs. We're going to hang it up on the wall with the bracket to show you over here as testing out and install it outside. As a unit can run 2,150 square feet, and the remote control has a range about 50 plus feet. You simply take the area of interest with the PIR facing up. You slide this onto the unit and locks into place. You adjust accordingly to the sun and the angle you want. And you could tilt and rotate around. There are many different angles you can go about. You have a switch and a mode button. One turns on and one's the mode. As you hit the orange button, nothing's going to happen. If you press on this button, you need to slide it. It'll flicker with the light, as you can see. If you cover the solar array panel, the light comes on. So we are ready to use and show. From dusk to dawn, as it gets dark, the light will come on and work. We have a off. We have a on. That is on the remote control, as you see. We have mode number 1, mode number 2, and mode number 3. And we'll go over the modes outside. As you see the differences in the modes and the instructions, mode number 1, it'll be 100% bright for 15 seconds. Mode number 2, it'll be low and brighten up for 15 seconds. And mode number 3 stays at a low light all night long. Placing on the stake, the light, the bracket, place on, does not get lost, and then take the pole and place on like so. Everything's all set up to go. When placing onto the wall, you could take off, and then you have the bracket already on there that you simply slide off and hang up. So this way, it is held in all in one spot. Adjusting down to the angle and raising the solar panel. That is the angle of the light. In our garden, we are going to stake the light over here into the soil and adjust the angle. We're going to find a location over here in our pot. We're going to adjust as low as down and adjust one of the heads and the other heads downward. We're going to tilt for the sun, and in the evening hours, we'll come out and show you what it looks like in the stake, as well as hanging up on the wall over here. Over there is the light. As we turn it on, we have 3 modes. We'll do the mode to the left of the remote control. Allow it to set up, about 15 seconds. It shuts off 100% to 0. When it detects motion, it triggers. We'll do mode number 2. It dims down to 30%. And when it detects motion, it triggers. And then we have the 30% dusk to dawn. So no matter how much you move, it won't trigger. We'll hang it up on the wall and show you what it looks like. And then we could just simply turn it off. On the wall, we're able to adjust it all the way down. But in the stakes, it's only able to adjust it straight ahead. As we turn the unit on, you can see it lights up the whole area. Mode number 1, it gives a double blink. This does not have a timer. We are over here waiting for mode number 1 to shut off. 15 to 30 seconds, we're off. As soon as we move, it detects. It has a distant range, PIR. You have a pet, backyard, and you want to light up the area. This is what the light is good for. The solar light is IP rated, IP65, and it has a range that will trigger on. You have the low light to 100% brightness. For those backyard parties that you could turn on and brighten up the area and stay on in constant movement, the light will stay on. 15 seconds and more without any movement, the light will shut off. And these are what the solar array panels collecting sun with the 2400 milliamp battery lighting up the area looks like. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.